just by standing in front of the mirror, you can act like there is somebody standing in front of you,
Right.
आपके सामने खड़ा
You're
है
true. Right.
और आप उससे बात कर रहे हैं. क्या आप लोगों को भी वो दिक्कत होता है कि कोई गैदरिंग में है और कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करने में आपको दिक्कत होता है, या फिर किसी ने आपसे कुछ पूछा, आपको वो चीज समझ में ही नहीं आया तो उसका आंसर कैसे दे, राइट? ये जो सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है ये बहुत कॉमन है, ये हम लोगों ने भी फेस किया है. और ये शुरुआती स्टेज पे जब हम लोग फेस करते थे, बट वी मेड श्योर दैट इसका सोल्यूशन भी ढूंढे, राइट? तो आज इसका सोल्यूशन के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. एंड उससे पहले आई वांटेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस यॉल टू रॉनी. सो रॉनी इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू हेल्प मी टुडे इन दिस वीडियो. ही इज एक्चुअली माई मोटिवेशन, जो मुझे हर रोज सुबह और शाम दिखाता है सब्सक्राइबर तुम्हारा इतना बड़ा है, चलो वीडियो बनाते हैं. सब्सक्राइबर तुम्हारा इतना इतना बड़ा है, व्यूज तुम्हारा इतना हुआ है, चलो वीडियो बनाते हैं. सो दैट कीप्स ही कीप्स मोटिवेटिंग मी. सो आप लोग भी अपना मोटिवेशन ढूंढिए. दैट इज, कोई कैलेंडर में मार्क कीजिए, आपने आज प्रैक्टिस किया उसको मार्क कीजिए, फिर अगला दिन प्रैक्टिस किया मार्क कीजिए, पूरा हफ्ते में देखिए कि आपने कितना प्रैक्टिस किया है. एक दिन भी अंदर में मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. सो द डे यू सी दैट यू हैव नॉट मिस्ड even a single day in a week, you can feel really proud about that. Okay? आज मैं एक चीज, बिफोर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करें रॉनी के साथ, मैं एक चीज बताना चाहती हूँ. एक बच्चा जब स्कूल में एडमिशन लेता है तो वो नर्सरी, एलकेजी, यूकेजी, फिर क्लास 1, धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ता है. तो जब तक वो क्लास एचकेजी या 1 में आ जाता है, वो इंग्लिश पूरा समझता है, या फिर अगर आप देखो तो वो बोल भी सकता है बच्चा. और अगर आप क्लास 1 एचकेजी का बुक देखोगे इंग्लिश का, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड टफ ग्रामर लेकिन नहीं है. लाइक हैड बीन डूइंग, हैज बीन गोइंग, ये सारे परफेक्ट टेंस, परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंसेस का यूज बहुत बाद में आता है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू स्टार्ट विथ बेसिक. So these videos in my channel is for basic learners, okay, not for advanced people. I am not making these videos for advanced learner. अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो very good, but this is for basic, okay? जिन लोगों को थोड़ा भी नहीं आता है, from scratch you all can start, okay? So don't hesitate, just start. That's it. So today we will have conversation. मानो हम लोग दोस्त हैं और पार्टी में मिले हैं बहुत सालों बाद, स्कूल में एक साथ पढ़ते थे, तो हम लोग कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, चलिए देखते हैं.
Hi, Romana.
Hi Ronnie, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing. Actually, I got excited after seeing you. After so many years, I saw you. I got excited.
Same here. You are still the same.
What? I have put a lot of weight. See?
You are always fat.
No, I used to go to gym. I had some, but right now I'm fat. You can call me fat. And I'm
Even I
okay.
am fat, so it's okay, no problem. We are friends, right?
Yeah.
So how is life?
Life is good. Life is very exciting. I have a son who is 7 years old.
That's
So
wonderful.
life is very good. Right? Life is really very exciting, but bit busy. Schedule remains quite hectic, and what do you say? I mean, I remain busy, but still I take out some time to call my friends, to talk to them, to party with them, and that's
Okay,
it.
but you never ever called me.
Maybe I lost your contact.
Okay, so there is Facebook. You even, like, we are not connected in Facebook also.
Maybe because I'm totally out of social media. I don't use social media much.
Okay, fine, no problem. Chalo, maaf kiya. Okay,
So
so
you tell me, how are you? How is your life going?
my life is fine. It's going good. Office and home. Even I have a son who
Okay.
is 7 years old now. His
Is
name is
it
Ayansh.
okay?
So life is going good. So where do you live now?
Right now I'm in Jamshedpur. I stay in Jamshedpur.
Are even I stay in Jamshedpur.
Really?
Yes. Which part of
Wow.
Jamshedpur?
I live in Sakchi.
I also live in Sakchi.
Okay.
How
So
come we never met?
I don't know. It's a small world. You never know how and where you meet people.
Right, you are correct. But then let's exchange numbers.
Yeah,
So
sure.
once we go back, we will surely meet.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Sure. So I'll catch up with some of my friends and I'll get back to you.
Yeah, sure. Carry on. Thank you.
Sure.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Bye bye.
So see, this was a conversation among, like, between not among, between two friends. Okay, अभी conversation के बीच में काफी mistakes भी हुए होंगे, right? But we were confident. We knew that ये conversation को हमें आगे बढ़ाना है. So always remember that you need to be confident. English is a foreign language. You are learning a new language. You can go wrong. There is no problem. Okay, and don't feel shy. That is
Right.
the most important thing. So ये conversation था दो दोस्तों के बीच में जो लोग काफी दिन से जानते थे, right? अभी मानो कि हम लोग दोस्त हैं, एक दो दिन ही हुआ है ऑफिस में जान पहचान हुआ है. दोस्त नहीं बोलेंगे, कलीग्स बोलेंगे. ओके, सो कलीग्स एक दो दिन हुआ है, मैं नया हूँ ऑफिस में, ये भी नया है. सो लेट्स सी हम लोग क्या बात कर सकते हैं. ओके,
Hey, good morning, Romana.
गुड मॉर्निंग. आई एम सो सॉरी, आई डोंट नो योर नेम. इफ यू कैन जस्ट टेल मी योर नेम.
We met day before yesterday, right? You had joined recently, and even I joined just a day before you had joined. So we
Okay,
met in the induction, right? You
yeah,
remember me?
right.
We were talking to that Saurav sir.
Oh,
You remember that?
yes, right.
So,
So you are Ronnie, right?
yeah, I'm running.
Okay, okay. So is this your first job
No, this is my first job. I have been doing a lot of.
this side?
I have been into a lot of companies. This is, I guess, my fourth or fifth job.
Okay, but I am a fresher.
Is it so?
Yes, I am little nervous.
Nervous for what?
I don't know how this environment is like,
Yeah.
the
Okay.
colleagues, how they are.
Yeah, this happens because you don't know any of us. Even we don't know you, right? So it's like not only that you are new to us, even we are new to you, right?
Right,
So it's a long process. When we work together, you get to know the environment, and we get to know you. So it will be smooth because the company is good, the colleagues are good, and the ethics are good. The company's ethics are good.
okay. So thank you so much for helping me out, okay, because I actually don't know anything about this place. For me, Jamshedpur is also new. So what are your hobbies? What do you do after office?
I prefer editing videos. I make videos and all.
Oh, that's wonderful. Even I like shooting videos, but then I need help in editing part. I
Is it?
have no much idea about
I can teach
editing.
you. I can
Oh,
teach you.
that's really nice. Maybe in the break time we can talk about this.
Yeah, surely. You
Right.
make videos in Instagram. You make videos for Instagram or for YouTube.
No, I do it in YouTube. I've just started a new channel in YouTube.
Fine, I can help you.
Thank you so much. See you in the
Welcome.
break time then.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. So, see, now this was a conversation. This was like a small talk because I don't know him, even he does not know me much, right? So, we started, we discussed, like, कहाँ पे हम लोग मिले हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग बात किया, ऑफिस के बारे में, उसका कल्चर, सिचुएशन, लाइक एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है, वो सब चीज़ों के बारे में, एंड देन हॉबीज के बारे में. दिस इज अ वेरी स्मॉल डिस्कशन जिसमें हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में कुछ नहीं पूछे, राइट? जस्ट हॉबी एंड जॉब, दैट्स इट. ओके, सो सी नाउ यू ऑल हैव रफ आइडिया हाउ अ कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट्स. जस्ट हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, कहाँ से हो, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, व्हाट इज योर नेम, all these basic things. So after hearing this, I am sure you all can practice now on your own as well. Just by standing in front of the mirror, you can act like there is somebody standing in front of you, आपके
Right.
सामने खड़ा
You're
है
true. Right.
और आप उससे बात कर रहे हो. आई कांटेक्ट होना चाहिए. और रिमेंबर, फंबल, फीलिंग शाय, फीलिंग स्कैर्ड, ये सारे छोड़ दो. फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स because you're learning something new, so feel proud about that. Okay, be happy about this, feel happy about this. Lot of mistakes even I make every day, but I'm happy that I know this language and I can speak confidently. That's it.
Right.
So thank you so much, Ronnie, for being a part of this video. And thanks. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in another video sometime soon. Thank you.